From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Oh, look at what Aja brought us. Yum. So now you made this from last night's leftovers?
No, I did the noodles, and I did the noodles. All I had was the sauce, and they were gonna throw the sauce out. I was like, "That's perfectly good sauce."
That's
now.
awesome.
So,
Yeah, look at that. Yum,
I
yum,
just had a big, huge slice. I'm full.
Full. Yeah,
Going down now? Nighty night time?
It wasn't that big of a beat.
Thank
that
you,
is-
Aja. We appreciate it.
It smells so good.
I can smell it. It smells really good.
Okay, break our
Thank
diet,
you.
break
Love
our
you
diet.
too.
Sorry, y'all.
It's all right. We'll get back.
You didn't give
My
him none?
two. No, he said he didn't want any
She said, I thought she was only going to have a little bit.
because you're lying
I am lying. She asked if I wanted some. I said
in your
no.
girl glasses.
But I didn't know that. I didn't know that meant she was going to eat it all.
Carolyn.
No.
Hello. Look, my two favorite girls are here. Aww. Are you doing the rounds?
We're doing the rounds. Checking out some vehicles.
Checking out vehicles?
Seeing what's left. We're trying to burn off some beer and calories.
Oh yeah. Scotty,
Some bacon calories. Yeah.
they just said they were burning off beer calories. I think you should drag Scott along with you.
Come on,
He
Scott,
has
let's
a
go.
lot of RTR beer calories going on. He always does this. I have to bleep him out all the time. Oh, so how are you doing at the RTR?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's almost done.
I know.
Yeah, it's a little sad.
I know, a little bit.
Some of our neighbors pulling out and
Yeah.
winding down.
I think that they're picking up camp over here too.
Oh, really?
So I don't know.
Randy?
No, Aja.
Oh, Aja.
Yeah, so. Okay, well, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, see you.
Look at who came to visit us.
It's Blue.
Baby Blue came to visit us. Look. Hi, Baby Blue. My people really loved you. Yeah. They love Carrie, too. I heard that you were Mary Poppins, too, for a little bit. Your mommy has a lot of names.
I know. Blue's going to have to carry his own umbrella, but I'm working on that.
Oh, hi, Blue. Yeah. What are you out doing today? Oh, you're going to go over there to Aja's?
Looking for popcorn, I think.
Looking for popcorn. I don't have popcorn.
Baby
Well.
Blue, did you see the kites?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, everybody likes you.
Yeah, Blue likes kites.
Yeah. Very cute.
So I had to take my roof apart just to get the stick. Oh,
Oh.
I'm sorry. You were doing it right. What a look. Oh my goodness. The alter
He
ego's
told
gonna
you,
come out
right?
on him and he's going to get really bad.
Oh.
She insulted
No.
you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And the old farmer's wife is here with me. This is Barb.
Meeting Baby Blue.
Yeah.
I think he's calling
And Kevin's
me.
relaxing over there.
Oh,
Hello, Kevin.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
You're
Oh.
Can I touch your cheeks too? Oh.
Baby Blue. Baby Blue. You dirty.
You were bad.
Are you a dirty old man? Yeah. Oh, look, he's going, Mama, what did she call me?
What did the
so
kids
funny.
think of Baby Blue?
I haven't got to the kids yet.
Are you going over
Yeah,
there?
there's one that
Oh.
hasn't seen, and I don't think I should show him without
Oh.
all by herself, because the other kids have seen him.
Yeah.
So I think it's important that Blue gets introduced with just
all
her.
Oh yeah,
You know?
that would be nice.
Angelica?
Hold your hand.
Hello.
Yeah, you went. Yeah.
Gonna go see Angelica?
Oh, I see. So you had to get a stick for you had to have a stick for your hand. I see. Very nice. Yes. Okay. We'll see you later. Mwah. See you later. Yes. Oh, yeah. Momo's like, I don't know what to do. Yep. How old is Billy? Year and a half, cutie.
Yeah. Now that's the way to go. I mean, the thing is,
All right, Carolyn's on the move again.
trying to row that thing around.
She's moving out of the house area. She's moving away from me, Dave. She's had it. Well, once again, everybody, we have very few people in camp. It's an ever-changing camp, that's for sure. Aja's still up here. Eric has left the RTR. I don't know if he's coming back, but
It would be fun.
he might be.
Exactly.
All right.
Up to the surface.
Old people shuffling through the desert looking for pennies and quarters.
Old people shuffling
Yes, I'm
through.
shuffling through, and I found the man. The money just falls out of his pockets. There you go.
Somebody else, well, I think somebody else went around where the last time you sat and picked up change too.
Oh, I'm going to follow this guy around.
Yeah, wherever he sits, gold falls out of his pockets.
When I was married, my wife said that was one of the most favorite things about me.
Your money fell out of your pockets?
Made laundry day so much more fun.
That's what she said.
Jeff is here. What are you delivering?
I am doing a little delivery
Wow.
of some tangerines. We have a viewer that has come out a couple of times delivering fresh citrus.
Wow.
And he just delivered 3 big bags of oranges and a bag of tangerines. And he doesn't want to disturb anybody.
Oh, bless his heart.
How many do you think you need?
I would just take like 4. That would be. Oh, my.
Are you sure? Now he said they
Yeah.
were pretty seedy, but
I'll just
they're
do this,
not.
just this amount right here, because I still have some tangerines that I
Dory?
bought. But wow.
Take a couple.
And he
Sure,
grows
thank you.
these,
How many would you
huh?
like?
Just 2.
That's just 2.
Ooh, look at that. Yum.
Well, I had a
These
couple.
smell so good. I can
you
smell them.
smell 'em?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
I've
if you
already
had-
had a couple and they are delicious.
Wow.
one of those.
Well, would you please tell him thank you and thank
We
you
will,
for
and
bringing
If you
them?
ever see him comment, I'll tell you his name later.
Okay.
When you see him
Okay.
comment.
I will tell him thank you.
Yes,
And you look like Santa Claus.
I know instead of Jello shots, it's actually
Yeah.
healthy stuff.
Thank you, Jeff.
Y'all have a good evening.
We will. Thank you.